This is question number 8 from exercise 9.1, class 11, straight lines chapter. And question is based on the slope of a line. It says that without using distance formula, that we are not going to use distance formula in this case, we have to show that, say, these 4 points, say A, B, C, D, assume, like say this is A, B, C, D, are the vertices of a parallelogram. So what we know that a quadrilateral in which two pairs of opposite sides are parallel is called a parallelogram. So for that, let's say, for example, if I make a parallelogram here, and if I name this as point A, B, C, D, with its coordinates given as, taken in order, -2, -1, and say this is 4, 0. The next is, this is 3, 3, and the next fourth one is -3, 2. So what we know, if we can prove these two pairs of opposite side are parallel, like maybe AB parallel to CD and so likewise AD parallel to BC. In case if we prove it, we find that these are parallelogram. So what you should know here, that two lines are said to be parallel if their slopes are equal, like M1 is equal to M2, right? If the slope of two lines are equal, we say the lines are parallel. So let's find the slope in each case. Like say, for example, okay, moreover, you should also know that the slope of a line using 2 point is calculated using this general formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm getting first the slope of AB here, the slope of AB. Using this formula, y2 minus y1, I can say slope of AB, y2 minus y1, that is 0, minus minus 1 plus 1, and 4 minus minus 2, that is plus 2, like y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. So what we are getting here, on calculating, we are getting the slope of AB as 1 over 6. So similarly, we can get the slope of BC, say BC using the same relation, that is 3 minus 4, that divided by 3 minus 0, we are getting minus 1 over 3. Then we are getting the slope of the next, that is CD. CD is again y2 minus y1. If I do in this manner, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So minus 3 is minus 6, and 2 minus 3 is, this is 2 minus, sorry, we did something wrong here. It was y2 minus y1, so I should have taken this y2 minus y1, that is minus 1, and x2 minus x1, that is minus 6, which is 1 over 6. Finally, the slope of AD, the AD, as you can see, y2 minus y1, that is minus 2 minus minus 3, right? Minus 2 minus minus 3 is minus 2, minus minus 3 is plus 3, right? Like I can show you minus 2 minus minus 3. So it's minus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 1. So 1 over minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. So what you can see here, that in this figure, we got the slope of AB, which is 1 over 6, is slope of CD, that is 1 over 6, right? Since the slope of this, like I can say here, the slope of this line is 1 over 6. Slope of this line is 1 over 6. And so is the slope of this, that is 1 over 6. So the slope of these two lines are same or equal. We say that these two lines are parallel. Likewise, I can see that the slope of BC is minus 1 over 3, and AD is also minus 1 over 3. Since the slope of this and this are equal, therefore they are parallel. So concluding point will be, we'll say that since their slopes are equal, therefore AB is parallel to CD, and similarly here AD is parallel to BC. AB parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. And the reason is, if two pairs of opposite sides of a quadrilateral are parallel, then it becomes a parallelogram.